Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa. If you haven't been here before, I hope you like and subscribe and all the other good things. That noise is Renji. He is destroying a paper cup. So we have coined him Renji the Destructor as of late. So I don't know what it is about paper, cardboard boxes, whatever it is, he loves it. So let's get to the good stuff. The lip gloss of the day is Chanel. The scent of the day is Spell on You, and the bag of the day is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which I won't, you know what it looks like. So, my headband of the day is the Louis Vuitton headband, and my girl, Tanya from Vixen Bags, trust me, if you're watching me, you're watching her. She hooked me up, because there was only a few left in Australia, and boy, it is the reverse monogram headband. I love it. Thank you so much, Tanya. And she got me something else too, but I have to wait until I can do a full-size video to show you guys, but trust me, you're gonna love it. And it's super cute, it's lightweight, and what I like about it is it has like these little hooks on the end, so it doesn't pinch your head at all. So I really like this one. I can't wear it when I have my hair braided, but it's okay. But that's that. And here we go. Just something small from the Murakami. Well, nothing is small from the Murakami, but this is a pickup from my Vegas SA. She is on it. If there's something you want, she's your girl. Let me know and I'll give you her info if you message me for it. But it is the Murakami, I guess it's called Charisse bag charm, but I thought it was super cute. And okay, so there's another one that is like a puffy one. I don't love that one. But this one is a little bit flatter, so I do like it. And she's definitely a keeper. And then, this. I have been on the list for this forever, way forever. And I saw some friends of mine getting there first, and I was like, oh my God, I know I ordered and paid for before you guys, but it is what it is. And I peeked under it just a little bit to see what it was, but I didn't open the box all the way because, you know, I've been online shopping like crazy, and everything from Louis Vuitton to dog food comes in a brown box. So I had a feeling what it was, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I had to open the box all the way. So this is a very true unboxing. The only thing I did was cut my address off of that part because it's so funny. Side note, moving to the mainland has been so unique because now I have to kind of go, I mean, I locked my door in Hawaii, but not 100. And there's a sense of safety that you feel and you develop when you live there. And then once you move, you have to kind of go, okay, ding dong, lock your door, lock your door, lock your car, your house, your everything. You have to remind yourself to lock your door, because if not, stuff won't be there. Even though it's a safe and secure building and all of that good stuff, I'm still trying to pin myself to locking my door. So, we all know what the box looks like, and it comes with paper and all of that good stuff. And let's get to it. It's a new box too. That's cute. That is stinking cute. Do you see it? That's adorable. This will be one of the very few boxes that I will save. Maybe. We'll see. So the receipts in there, paperwork, which I don't care about. And I picked up the Louis Vuitton. Oh my God. Alma BB. Oh my goodness. Oh, she is gorgeous. Worth the wait. Oh my goodness, she is cute. The handles are even too. Oh my goodness. goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to say oh my goodness a couple more times. That's just a lot. Oh, and of course, Renji the Destructor is killing my Louis Vuitton, just the shipping box. The other box is here in my lap, but yes. Oh my goodness. And this is actually my first piece of multicolor in the white. I've had the black for years and even a couple of pre-loved black ones for a while now, and I think it was about maybe 6 months ago when it first came out, I bought the black wallet, and now I'm kicking myself for not getting the card holder to match this. I will check and see if it's online, but I don't know. But yes, yes, and yes. Okay, there you go. There you go. And there is a mini Aloha back charm for it, so we'll see about that. We'll see what happens. But let's discuss the craze that is Labubu and why I don't have one. I have an anime character, and I've got quite a few Hello Kitty ones. My thing with the Labubu is, if the face looks scary, it looks creepy. I don't like it. But certain ones are cute, and then I've seen them dressed up in like little mini Dior and Vuitton and Givenchy outfits and little baseball outfits and all that stuff. And yes, the answer is I do think that is cute as hell. But if it looks scary, no thank you, I'll pass on that one. But yes. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. On the inside, oh my goodness. And she came with a little piece of lint already. Oh, yep, it's just blue lint. It's probably from the drawstring for that, because it does match it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Made in France, and she is beautiful. Now, I was on the list so long for this one, I will be honest, I kind of forgot about it a little bit. And every time it kind of breezed by me, I was like, wow, this sure is taking so long. And I was thinking about just messaging my salesperson and saying, you know what, I don't even want it anymore because it took so long, but I am so glad I didn't do that, because I would be sick if I, picked up someone else's and had returned it. I really like it. Oh my gosh, she's cute. Yes. Yes, she's cute. I'm sorry this stupid leaf thing is here, but that's a whole nother conversation. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm waving at the manager now, so I guess she didn't know I do YouTube videos. But anyway, we are still in an apartment, and we're looking for a house here in Texas. Our house in Hawaii just sold, so we're at that looking for a house stage, and we've seen a couple of not open houses, what do you call it, like when they're new construction, that type of thing, where you go and you can build from yourself, and we don't know. We keep going back and forth on certain things, how big, how small, because we want this to be our forever ever home. And yeah, so it is exciting and nerve-wracking and stressful and all these other things all in one, to have retired, moved, left an island, get an apartment from a home, and all these other things within the span of a couple of months. It was just so fast. I think that now that we are slowing down and getting used to it, it's starting to sink in a little bit better. And I think it's getting easier for me here. When I first got here, I was struggling from the heat, which I'm listening, because it is Texas, to just leaving Hawaii, and it was so hard, but it made so much sense. If that makes sense for you, it was hard to leave, but also easy to leave. So that's that. Anywho, I've rambled, so I hope you like my bag, I hope you love my channel, I hope you like my smile, and I hope you think I'm funny, because I do. No, I'm just kidding. But no, I have that personality, either you like me or you don't. So if you do, I hope you subscribe, push the button, do the things, and all of that good stuff. And I will try to be more consistent. I think once we actually find a home, I'm definitely gonna have my own bag room, and I'm going to have to decorate it and do my whole thing all over again. And I might just film that and just kind of see the process of getting an entire bag room closet. And here's the thing, now that I'm retired, I can't just go work overtime to buy a new bag. So I definitely have curated my collection the way I want it to, so that I have bags that I know will last me a long time. I don't know what the newest bag that is trendy is. Like, even though this bag is gonna go out of style by next year, I can stick this on my shelf, and in 3 more years, I can rock this again. And I kind of just rock what I like anyway, so I'm not really that much of a trend follower, but I'm trying to think of a bag that's trendy right now. Okay, this isn't it, but remember everybody was busting out the Coach Tabby bag and everybody had one? I didn't have one because I knew I wouldn't love that bag in 5 more years. So that's how I buy my things, and yeah, I know I'm gonna love this in 5 to 10 more years. And yeah, definitely. Vachetta is on point. Yes. Perfect. So that is all. Until next time. Thank you. Aloha. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Bye. Hi guys. This is my gratuitous Renji cameo. He is still rocking the new Louis Vuitton Lovers dog collar, and that is because all of his other collars are in storage. So say hi, Buddha. Say hi. Okay, so there's our little handsome man cameo. Okay guys, this is the aftermath of the video. So this is the little room I've been sitting in. They're like little workspace rooms for, you know, I guess teleworkers or whatever. And oh no, it's raining. But this is the pool. This is the complex I live in now, for now. Very, very, very nice. The people are super sweet here. But what I really wanted to show you was Renji the Destroyer's aftermath in his wreckage. Okay guys, here's another part of it. It's basically like a family room, and they have a pool table, 2 TVs, and you can come up here, and this is where the little rooms are for teleworkers and whatever. And they also give you free coffee every day, so that's kind of cool. And then plenty of lighting. Very, very, very quiet up here. I hardly ever see people in here except for on the weekends shooting pool. And then they've got like a little bar thing under here that you can just go and, you know, have drinks and things like that with your friends and do meetups. And, you know, there's some more rooms down there. But yeah, this is where I live now, and it's pretty nice. I like it. It's very, very, very friendly too. I like that. And very Renji friendly.